Teachers, what's the dumbest reason a student has argued with you? I teach AP chemistry, and I pride myself on being thorough with lab safety. Before our first experiment, I went through every protocol twice. During the lab, I noticed Emma wasn't wearing her safety goggles. I quietly reminded her about the requirement. She rolled her eyes. My contacts protect my eyes already. I explained that contacts actually trap chemicals against the eye and make injuries worse. Goggles on, or you'll need to observe from the back table. Actually, she replied loudly. My dad's a lawyer and says forcing me to wear goggles violates my bodily autonomy. The class went silent. I stayed calm. It's non-negotiable for insurance and school policy. Goggles or observation table. Emma dramatically texted someone, then announced, "My dad says I can sue if you discriminate against me for my personal choices." I offered her the observation worksheet again. Instead, she pulled out a waiver her dad apparently prepared and tried to make me sign it, releasing them from academic consequences of safety violations. I declined and asked her to move to the observation table. She refused and began live streaming to social media about chemistry class oppression. Our principal appeared minutes later. Emma had texted her too. When Emma triumphantly explained her legal right to participate without goggles, the principal, a former chemistry teacher, simply said, "Your father can call me directly, but NYS education law requires eye protection for all participants in chemical labs. No exceptions. And live streaming in class violates our technology policy." Emma was escorted out, still arguing that safety equipment was just a suggestion. Her father called later, not to threaten lawsuits but to apologize. He'd never written any waiver. Emma had created it herself.